Apple Watch Series 9, 10, and Apple Watch Ultra 2 models include a multifunctional double tap gesture. Here's everything GadInsider has compiled of what double tap can do and how you can make the most of it on your Apple Watch. Double tap is a gesture-based feature for Apple Watch models, allowing you to control watch functions by tapping your thumb and index finger together twice. Double tap chooses the primary button in whatever app you're in. Moreover, you can use the gesture from your Apple Watch face to navigate your smart stack. GadInsider has compiled a list of things double tap can do in an Apple Watch. Open the smart stack from the watch face and then double tap again to scroll through widgets one by one. Answer phone or FaceTime calls. Hang up the phone or FaceTime calls. When you get an iMessage, double tap to view it and then double tap again if you need to scroll. Reply to a message using dictation and then send it with a double tap. Act on notifications. Apple says a double tap on an incoming notification will activate the primary action, such as snoozing a reminder or replying to a message. Pause, resume, and end a timer. Stop and resume the stopwatch. Snooze an alarm. Play and pause music, podcasts or audiobooks, or skip a track depending on settings. Change to the elevation view in the Compass app. Start or stop automatic workout reminders when a workout is detected. Take a photo with the camera remote. Record a voice memo in the Voice Memo app and change flashlight modes. Here's a guide on how you can set up double tap on your Apple Watch or an iPhone. On the Apple Watch, open the Settings app and tap Gestures, then tap Double app. Then toggle on the switch next to the double tap on the next screen. If prompted, tap Turn off accessibility features at the bottom of the on-screen alert. Choose your preferred setting for playback, which is pause, play, or skip, and Smart Stack, advance, or select. On an iPhone, open the Watch app. With the My Watch tab selected, tap Gestures, then tap on double tap. Toggle on the switch next to double tap on the next screen. If prompted, tap Turn off accessibility features in the on-screen alert. Choose your preferred setting for playback and Smart Stack.